Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mara Davis today and I am back with another video, guys. So today's video I am going to be showing you how I made this lip gloss. Okay, I made this lip gloss with just 3 ingredients and it's super easy to make, and those ingredients are very easy to get around you. Okay, so if you have a dry cracked lips, okay, and your lips is always very dry, this video is for you. Okay, so you have to watch this video to the end because you're going to enjoy every bit of it. Okay, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and like my video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Okay, and let's go straight into this video. Guys, the first ingredient I'm going to be using is shea butter. I'm using shea butter because it contains vitamin A and E. Shea butter is also a rich source of numerous fatty acids and antioxidants that can also provide tropical skin soothing benefits. Okay, to have anti-inflammatory properties and is often used to heal and prevent chapped lips. So guys, once try shea butter on your lip, you will never go back. Okay, it protects your lip from cold and dry weather and reduces chances of dry lips. So guys, I know some of you be wondering, okay, does shea butter makes lips pink? Yes, it does. If you use shea butter when you're indoor on your lip, it will lighten your lip, leaving it pink. Going to be using just 1 tablespoon of shea butter. Yeah, that little, because I'm making little quantities, so I'm going to be using just 1 tablespoon of shea butter. Don't have shea butter and you have cocoa butter, yes, you can use cocoa butter in this recipe. Okay, you can replace your shea butter with cocoa butter. So I added 1 tablespoon inside that bowl and I just melted it. Okay, you can melt it using your microwave or using your double boiler. Any which way, just melt your shea butter. The next one we're going to be adding into that oil is olive oil. I am using greener extra virgin olive oil. You can use any brand you have at home. Okay, just make sure it's olive oil. So the tablespoon I used initially was 1 tablespoon, so I'm going to be adding half tablespoon of olive oil. You can see that I didn't fold the tablespoon. Okay, so just add half tablespoon of olive oil inside your shea butter. The next thing we are adding is aloe vera gel. You can use any brand of aloe vera gel as well. That is the aloe vera gel I have at home and that is the one I am using for this recipe. Okay, so we're going to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel inside the mixture. Okay, do not leave this video yet. Okay, we are still making our lip gloss. All right, so we are going to be mixing everything together. You mix and mix and mix and mix and mix it all together. All right, so if you're watching this video to this point, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is free. Click that like button, okay, and put it down in the comment section how you're enjoying this video. I need to know if you like this video or not. All right, so, and I need to know if you're going to try this recipe. Okay, so let's mix and mix and mix. Once we're done mixing, I am still going to double boil it. I'm still going to melt it a little so that it doesn't look that way. All right. So guys, that is the close look of how your lip gloss is going to look like after mixing it. That is before melting it the second time. Okay, so let's go ahead and melt this. So while our lip gloss is melting, okay, I want to show you guys the container I'm going to be putting this lip gloss. You can use any container, all right. This is the one I am using. This is my old lip gloss container. I had to take everything off, wash it thoroughly, and before I forget, if you want to work, before you start doing all this, you have to spray everywhere with your isopropyl alcohol so that you don't have to infect your lip. All right, so wash it thoroughly. If you don't have a new customized or a new lip container, all you need to do is just use this one and use your old one, wash out the lip gloss if it's not good anymore, then pour this new one inside. Guys, is what I did and I love it. Okay, so guys, our shea butter, olive oil and aloe vera gel has melted already, and that is how it looks like. I'm just trying to mix everything together and get it ready so I can pour it in my lip container. All right, this point, if you want to put fragrance, all right, if you want to put essential oil, you can use any essential oil of your choice just to let it have this amazing smell. All right, you can even add coloring. All right, you can add pink coloring, red, to make it like red lip gloss. I just want it to be plain and transparent. That's the kind of lip gloss I want to make now, but you can also give it a little tweak and do something, you know, produce something of your own kind. And let me see, when you produce it, tag me on Instagram, Maria Davids, all right, and let me see what you've done. So I'm going to try to pour everything inside my lip gloss container, and that is it. Our lip gloss is ready to use, and it's amazing. It's really, really amazing. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I finally have my lip gloss. The story behind this lip gloss is just very funny. Okay, my lip has been acting somehow for some days now, and I just checked my cosmetic bags and I saw that I did not even have any lip gloss at all. That is why I decided to make this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. So guys, to apply this lip gloss, you don't need to stress yourself. All you need to do is you can use it on your lipstick or on your natural lip. I didn't rub any lipstick. This is how my lip is, or this is how my lips look naturally, and I just like to rub it on my lip, and yeah, you can see how glossy this lip gloss is. I'm so in love. Like, I'm proud of myself. You should give this video or this recipe a try and thank me later. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.